ceiling fan. How I missed you, oh ceiling fan. How much I love you, but please stop making me float up like this. Oh ceiling fan, you are the wildest, but you always suck me up. You missed! Oh, ceiling fan, I wonder how other people think of you. Hey, Luigi, what do you think of the ceiling fan? No, I think it's ugly. Well, you know when you say it's ugly. Yeah, what happens? Wait. Oh, ceiling fan! How good are you executing? Telling Mario. Oh no. Oh, ceiling fan. How I missed you, oh ceiling fan. How missed you, oh ceiling fan. How I missed you, oh ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. Oh ceiling fan. How I miss you, oh ceiling